Oh my god, we don't have crappy audio anymore. Well, at least less crappy audio than before. I'm sorry, I was using my laptop or I was using some mic. Okay, I don't really know what mic it is, but yay, no more absolutely horrid audio. Okay, so let's continue. Just as a reminder, what we do, oops, yeah, it's okay, I'll just use that later. Just as a reminder, we made this earlier, which can input numbers, like as you can see. So this time we have that. So this time what we're going to do is add the operations like multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and of course the equal to button. This thing. We're also going to add the decimal button. The decimal button should be pretty easy. I think we can add that right now because it's just going to use this. Instead of 0, I'm just going to add decimal, which should be relatively easy. So calc button decimal is a tk dot button calc GUI. The text is going to be just a decimal. Command is going to be lambda input text um, decimal point, then calc button decimal dot place oops, dot place x should be 40. Yeah, x is 40 and y is 160. So let's just see what. Oh, I think we should probably do something like this. If not, we can just make a new, yeah. So yeah, now that works because it's not like really just a period, so a decimal, so we have to put it in quotes. So now as you can see it works. So now we can input something like 1.8 for example if we needed to. So that's fine. Now that we have the decimals, let's move to new ones like multiplication. Let's just the 4 math symbols, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So I'm just going to be using these symbols which we're also going to be using there. I can just replace this with this. We are going to be using these there. So yeah, and also I'm pretty sure these are just going to be the same things because what we're going to do is just grab it and then just equate it. So let's just do that. Calc button um uh m for multiplication, yeah, is just I'm just going to copy this because I really don't think I need to type it like all of the time. That's really simple. Just copy and paste, change that to this, change this to this, and just grab this. And we're going to make this a new one. So 16040, a new column. Let me see if I actually have space for that. Oh yeah, oops. Yeah, I have space for that. So I should, mm, it's fine. I'll just do 210. Yeah, that's fine. I'm just going to adjust it all later, maybe like 40 and become 20. Actually, Control H 40 can become 20. Oops. This 20 then 80 is just. I think we'll just do it this way then. So 20, 40, 60. Let's see if that is Not enough. So 20, 60, and then 100. Let's see. That's fine, yeah. Then 100. Then let me just do this. Just give me a second. Okay, yes. So now that I've just done that, you can see it now looks much better. So I'll just add this and let's actually see if it works. 1 into 3. Yeah, so I can just duplicate this multiple times. Just got to change this to this and this to this and D for division and 40, 80, 120, 160. That's still fine. So A for addition. So and then S for subtraction. You can put this in any order you want. I'm just putting this in any arbitrary order. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that we have our symbols, we are just going to add an uh, equal to button. So now calc button equal to equal. Let's just write that calc button equal is this. The function is not going to be the same though, but I'm just going to take this and calc button equal is going to be at 160, but it's going to be 100. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm just going to put equal to, and we're just going to put nothing here. For now, I'm just going to write equal. So let's just see if it works. Yeah, it works. So now I am just going to make a new command. Def equal to is going to be just nothing, and so current. So basically, we're just going to get the text. So we're just going to write equate equation is calc entry.get, and now we're just going to, I'm pretty sure you do like we have to import math, and then what we have to do is, yeah, so what we have to do is use math.eval equation, and then we have to call the input text equation. Oops, we have to actually do that. Answer equals to this input text answer. So I'm just going to do command is going to be, what is this here, equal to. So let's test it. Let's just write 1. Let's say 12 into 3 is, oh, I think we just should just use eval then. I don't think there's actually any need to, then let's see, 12 into 3, 36. So we also have to clear it. Okay. So let me just clear this before doing that. Let me actually just remove this math import before, because I don't think we need to do that. 12 into 3 is 36. So yeah, as you can see, we have our calculator. It can do simple math. In the next episode of the series, what I'm going to do is we're going to add a clear, and we're also going to add some advanced like squaring, square rooting, and other stuff like that. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, and if you want to, you can like and subscribe. Completely your choice. Only if it helped you do. And goodbye. Have a great day ahead.